What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be working with the company Allove hair. Here I'm just showing you the box. Inside the box it comes with a black mesh wig cap, eyelashes, a little elastic band, foam covering, white paper, and of course an Allove sticker. This is the wig. Inside the wig, it comes with 2 combs in the side, 1 in the front, and 1 in the back with adjustable straps. It is a 22-inch lace front wig, 13x4 lace. Here I'm just showing you how the lace blends effortlessly with no makeup or any foundation on the lace. The lace did come pre-plucked. Now I'm just going to cut the sides of the frontal to match the perimeter of my hairline. Once you have both ear tabs cut, you want to go ahead and lay your lace side by side to just make sure everything is laying correctly. Continue cutting off the rest of the lace. Go in with a foundation or concealer of your choice and put that on the inside of your lace. Next, you want to go in with your Got To Be Glued freeze spray or gel to lay down the sides of your wig. This part is optional, but I decided to go back in and define my hairline just a little bit more and pluck a little bit extra around my ear tabs and my baby hair area. Now I'm going to take my wax stick and add that to the top of my hair to just add some shine and moisture and to lay down any flyaways. Then you want to take your hot comb and firmly press out everything that you just laid down with the wax stick. And to lay my baby hairs, I'm going to take the same Got to Be Glued and do 3 simple swoops. 1 in the middle, 2 by my temple, and then 2 by my ear tabs. Lastly, we're going to take a little bit of this silk serum and just apply a little small amount to the hair and finger comb through the rest, and then continue to press the hair out. Alright guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? And this is super quick, super easy. Again, this is Allove hair. This is their 13x4 straight lace front wig in 22 inches. It is 100% human hair, thick and soft with a natural hairline. I did bleach the knots off camera, and it did come pre-plucked. Like I said, it is 22 inches. So this is how long it is on me. Comes to my waist. And I am 5 foot even. I wasn't getting any tangling at all, and minimal shedding, like maybe a couple strands here and there, but absolutely no tangling whatsoever. Like I said, I did not have to pluck the hairline or anything. The part came pre-plucked and the hairline came pre-plucked. I'm lying. I did plug the hairline a little bit, just a little bit, as after I put it on, just because I didn't like the way everything was looking. But overall, I love it. The texture is like a silky straight. This is the back. I can say one thing about this hair. The density is 150, but it feels like a 130-ish. The wig is not thick at all. It's not thin either, per se, I guess, because you can't see the tracks in the back or anything, or you can't see through the back of the hair back here. But it just feels really light and really, it feels thin, if that makes any sense. As you can see, the ends are not thin. It's full all the way through, which is good. But yeah, y'all, tell me what y'all think. This super quick, super easy glueless wig install. All I used was Got To Be Glued freeze spray and the Got To Be Glued gel in the yellow bottle. It did come with 3 combs and adjustable strap in the back. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I feel like the lace maybe could have been a little lighter, and I did go in with some powder to try to add back some color so it wouldn't be so dark. But overall, I love it. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think, and I'll see you later. Bye.